Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to investigate whether a small candle flame can conduct electricity. Check this out. For this investigation, I'm using my high-frequency oscillator, a parallel plate capacitor, and a few different candles of varying sizes. So to begin, I'm going to use a small green candle, and I'm going to put it in between my plates that are connected to my high-frequency oscillator. So it looks like that. Now when we turn it on, you'll definitely get some ionic wind and you'll see the flame move a little bit. But as I turn up my high frequency oscillator, you'll see something happen between the parallel plates. Okay, so here when it's on low, you can definitely see the flame move. Watch the flame move. So there's definitely some ionic wind that's going between the two. Now as I turn up the frequency, watch what happens. This time I'm going to remove the flame and we'll turn up. And there's no arc. But now I'm going to add the flame. So how can a flame conduct electricity? Some people argue that a flame isn't true plasma because it doesn't get hot enough. But one thing's for sure, that flame is producing ions. And when one plate has a lot of negative charges, it wants to conduct to the other plate that has a positive charge. But it takes about 10,000 volts of electricity to break down 1 centimeter of air. And so there needs to be something in between that acts as a charge carrier, and those are the ions produced by the flame. And that's what allows electricity to flow from one plate to the other. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.